Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Before that, please like the video and subscribe the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First, let's check in Passwords app on the iPhone. On your device, use the search feature and open Password app, or you can find it under Settings. If required, unlock your saved passwords using Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Use the search bar to filter for Apple or Apple ID. You will see your saved Apple accounts. Tap on them to view the password. This is quick and easy method if your device saved your login info when you first signed in. Let's move on to second method. Browsers like Google Chrome and Edge also have their own password managers. So let's check if password is saved there. Open Google Chrome. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Password Manager. If required, unlock your saved passwords using Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Search for Apple ID or Apple in the Password Manager. And if you ever signed in on Chrome and saved your password, it should show up here. Just like that in Edge, open it, tap on Profile Picture, select Email ID, Passwords. If required, unlock your saved password using Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Filter Apple ID or Apple and check if you have ever saved the password there. If the above method didn't work, don't worry, you can always reset your password. Open Settings, tap on your profile and name at the top of the screen. Tap Sign in and Security. Under Security section, tap Change Password and confirm the action using Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Next, enter your new password and continue. You can also reset Apple ID password using browser. Here is how you can do that. Open your default web browser, let's say Safari, and then copy paste or visit this website, that is iforget.apple.com. On this screen, tap on the reset password. Now you'll be provided the account email ID. Confirm this is the Apple ID whose password you want to reset. If required, use Face ID or fingerprint to authenticate the action. Then tap Reset My Password button again. On this screen, add the new password and you are done. That's it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel. Also, if you have any question, drop in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.